Hello, me fixing everything. And because there is always something to be broken or fixed. Today we're changing a rear window on this Astra. It's broken somehow by the kids on the street and it needs to be fixed. So spend money to make content, I would say. I'm still trying to find the window, but meanwhile I had to get the car inside. What I'm gonna do, I'll remove the seal all around, yeah, and then I'll still leave the tape on the thingy so it can hold all of the glass pieces. And then I'm gonna remove everything, clean it up, find a new window and glue it back in. Because I have the tape already, I'll just take a knife. Can you just come closer? Yeah. I'll take the knife and cut it off so I can get to the seal. Okay. And then maybe start from here. I already chopped the top part. Okay, now we'll take the tape and just remove all of the tape. And we'll stop the video now and get back when we just remove all the tape. Okay, now it's good to have gloves and safety glasses, and I don't have no gloves and no safety glasses. So let's continue, come closer. We need to pull the seal out. It's, I would say, relatively easy. Just grab it with your fingers. Yeah, if it's cold day, okay, maybe I'll need a little bit of a screwdriver help. I tried to pull it a bit harder and I'm afraid that's not the way, so we will start from the bottom. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is just remove the plastic covers and we'll see what is exposed behind it. Okay, so here I tried to remove it from the bottom. You can't see nothing special. Maybe with a window cord it's possible, but I think it's more easier to preserve the seal. So if you come closer, you can see I got it, like I just undone it, and it's just like so. And we're gonna pull it now. I'll just leave it right now. And with a little pull. Now just be careful to make sure I'm not ruining the seal. With a little bit of wiggle. I don't want to break it. It's nice and rubbery, so it should be okay. Yeah, definitely gloves and eyeglasses. Yeah. And hot weather you need. I didn't mangle it. I felt like it's not going well, but I think it's okay. You definitely need eyeglasses. Now here maybe it's a good idea to remove the, yeah, we're gonna remove it later. The plastic needs to be removed. Okay, that's it. Now the seal should be clean of any glass, and then it needs to be cleaned with the degreaser, so it doesn't have any old glass that can poke the new glass, and everything can become one old glass again. Yeah. If you don't want any debris inside, wash it under the sink outside somewhere. And now we'll take a chisel and we'll chisel everything here out. Okay, stop the video. Okay, so well, let's do our best. Maybe here in the corner or here. And now the rest, that's the nasty stuff. You need something sharp, okay, just so you can clean the glue, and just start from somewhere. Okay, we'll start from here. Oh, very strong. Okay. And now just like that. If you have a bigger one, just work with the bigger one. Now if you have rust spots, here that's the time to, you know, address them, paint them, make it look nice. Okay, I'll stop the video now and I'll show you the whole thing. Step, as I said, is to chisel out the old glue. You can see here, I grab a sharp screwdriver and I just chisel it out. You can grab a chisel as well. This one is very thin now, I don't know what I'm gonna show you on. Yeah, just very clean. And here I got a piece, you can see the old glue. And you just take the chisel or whatever you have and just push, and I'll just go on the other side. So and for best result in the end, we'll take a angle grinder with a soft bristle brush and we'll just take it and pass all around here, yeah, quickly, so we can have a clean surface. But that's gonna be optional, okay? Only do it if you have angle grinder with a brush, yeah, because you don't need a lot of tools for this specific job. If not, take a scraper, flathead scraper, and just scrape as much as you can till clean surface. Then is the next step, we're gonna degrease it. Okay, so it's a bit dark now, but I have a few left over and I found a nice scraper. So what are you gonna do now? You just want to remove it as much as possible, yeah? Take as much as possible out. It's a bit hard with one hand, keep it with two hands. Now if you have somewhere where you can see the metal, it can rust if any water comes to it. So best thing to do is take a little bit of paint and paint it up, or primer. Let's see here. I scraped this part. You can see a little bit of glue right there. There we go. And a bit here. Okay, now after this is done, I'll take the battery drill, or you can take some sandpaper, 300 grit. I'll just take the drill with the brush and I'll just brush. This is so any loose silicone can get out, yeah? So just everywhere. Be careful with the paint. That's gonna be the next step. After it's relatively clean, I'll just take some glass cleaner and we'll spray so we can take the loose dirt out of the frame. Let it soak for a little bit. Then we'll continue going. Here I notice something, you can see. That's the connector for the heated windshield. I just disconnect it on one side. And we have one. This one as well. Okay. I'll just put it to one side, and now let's spray a bit more. Where is it? That's it. I see. And we can start wiping it off. Or if you have a brush, you can also brush it off. Now, I'm a bit, I don't have time to paint the frame, but if I could, I would have painted the frame which means taking primer, painting, you know, gluing everything around, and then paint around it. Unfortunately, I don't have the time now. We need a car as soon as possible. So we'll just take it like it is. What I'm gonna treat it with now is some degreaser, and we're gonna apply the silicone. Meanwhile, I have a second-hand glass, which I'll remove and I'll clean. I'll make it like brand new. That's what you need to do. I don't need to show you how to clean a glass door. That's it. We'll leave it to dry up for a little bit, and we'll get to it to put some degreaser on it. In case I want to show you, that's the window. To remove it, take the scraper, have someone to hold it, yeah, and you know, and then this part here, that's the easiest, very satisfying. Okay, very gently, so you don't damage the window, and that's it. Just you need two people to hold it while you're doing it. Now I cleaned it up with a window cleaner, nice and easy on the heaters. I'm not sure they're working, but still I'm gonna use a degreaser to coat the glass, just so we can you see the black stuff?
Yes.
We don't want black stuff. And there we go, just to make sure that it's nice and clean. There is a primer for glass, so glass people have it. I don't have it. I'm not gonna bother with anything else. I think that's gonna be perfectly enough for such an old car. There we go, nice and clean. That's it. Now, I already cleaned with a little screwdriver the seal on the inside. I would really love to wash it under the sink and make it nice and clean. Unfortunately, no time to do that. Now, I'm gonna put the seal onto the glass before I put the seal on the frame over there. Is it the right thing? I don't know, but it seems to me really hard to put the seal, on the glass without breaking it in a rush when I don't know what I'm doing. So I'll just stick it on, and put it on the window before I glue the glass to the frame. So this step now, I'll just try to briefly remove all the sticky tape that I had before, and we're gonna put the seal onto the window. So right here in the corner we need to set it up nicely in place, just like so. And here on this side, can you zoom in? And that's it. So, fully seated seal. Let's move on back to the car. It's nice and not greasy. It's very, it got a little bit of it's squeaking even. Now let's degrease this part. Again, I'll say again, make sure it's clean. And also forgot what I was going to say. Never mind, clean it up. Now, you need silicone. I'll show the silicone. Well, this one is drying. Not silicone, glue for windows, not silicone. It's not silicone. Yeah? It's glue for windows, that's it. Glue for windows translated, and this you have English, Bulgarian, and only Bulgarian. Yeah, what is the UFI 2CEB U0TG J00EDN 810? It doesn't have a model. Tropics. Oh, that's the glue we need. You got a little notch, which is perfect. We'll just push it here, and we're gonna start gluing it. Okay, let me take the gun on. Okay, so I just did a test run, so I got the silicone glue out, and you want it to be around 1 centimeter, nice and sharp edge. Okay, do a test run if you haven't done it before. Now, let's start from the bottom. Stop the video.
Okay.
And we can start, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And we'll just do it in the same spot that the manufacturer did it. And just so you know, your hand will hurt, okay? It will definitely take some time. You're looking for a consistent height of the glue. Minutes later, the whole frame is done. Okay, and now we're just gonna finish. I don't feel my forearm though. Okay, just like so. Can just put a little bow right here, and that's gonna be it. You can see how much did I use. If your window is big, I think a big window will be okay with one of these. It's right around here. Okay, so you have a bit extra.
How much is liters?
310 milliliters. Now, this is, I don't think you can reuse it. You can always try. I'll just leave it like so. And now we'll bring the glass on. It's nice and sticky. Very hard to the touch, by the way. Very hard to touch. Let's come and bring the glass on. Okay, and now we're just gonna glue it in place. Okay. Is it left or right? Huh? Left or right?
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay. I think I got myself a little bit of trouble. Oh, you got this one. It's very nasty stuff, this one. Okay, keep in mind that
You should wear gloves.
you should wear gloves, yeah. And yeah, you should wear gloves, by the way. Hey.
Okay.
Okay, let's see now. It's not in the middle. Definitely not in the middle. It's too much over there.
Here. Oh, okay.
No need to lift it up now. Can you hold it?
Yes.
I think it should go a little bit more your way. It's not, it's not in the middle. Will it go your way?
Yes. A little bit more. Oh. A little bit more. 1 millimeter. Okay.
Yeah?
Perfect. I think it's perfect.
I think it's perfect as well. Now there is a little bit of glue sticking out. Can you bring me some toilet paper? Paper towel so we can just take the glue out. I can see that there is glue sticking out. Unfortunately, we are not such a big professionals and we can't be perfect. Just be very careful. Maybe not the best idea to wipe it like so. Anyway, with the paper, with the towel is, with this towel is better. Okay. I can see. Right here. Good. I think that's perfect, eh? Okay, we'll leave it like so. I'll wipe it with some glass cleaner and it should be fine. So done now. Glued in place. Total cost without the window €6. I wanted to take some vacuums. They don't pull on this one. With the vacuums, €12. With the window, below €40. I think €38 with the window. Second hand original window. Yeah. I think it's original. Well, it should be original. I don't know. Looks original. So I'll put the plastics on the back. Now we'll let it dry up in place. Okay. Just let it dry up. Push it a few times, and we'll put some paper tape so it doesn't move while we drive. Don't forget to connect the rear electric heater. So I would say repair is done, ready, finished, and it's all good. Okay, put the window right here. Let's dry up a little bit of this area. Now I'm gonna dry up the top in two places, just so we can make sure the window is not gonna go down in the potholes and stuff, and it's not gonna move left to right. Now I think it's perfect.
It's moving down.
I think it's
moving down.
yeah,
It's moving down.
it's moving down, but I think it's in perfect position because you can see it like it's been like before. Yeah. True or mine?
Enough.
I think that's as up as you can get. Yeah, that's up. Okay, now take the tape. And just pull up. And with the next one. Pull up. Don't forget to take the tape in 2 days or something like that. Okay, and now on this side. I think that's gonna be it for this repair. Best thing to do, leave the car, don't move it for the next day, but nobody got time for not move it the next day. That's it, your DIY window mounting. I hope the video is being helpful. Yeah, I hope you really don't need to do it twice, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.